Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by gathering what lenders actually check: government ID, PAN, recent bank statements, and proof of income. Once done, pick a lender type: NBFC, fintech, peer-to-peer, or a secured option like gold, because each has different speed and acceptance criteria. Make sure to install the lender's app or open their website, run a pre-qualification check, and enter the exact loan amount and preferred tenure so you can see realistic quotes immediately. Now compare offers closely. Look at APRA, processing fees, prepayment penalties, and the total payable amount so you know real cost versus monthly EMI. If you lack a Cibil score, consider using collateral, a cosigner, or an employer salary advance to lower the rate and speed approval. Also check disbursement timelines and any daily transfer limits. Make sure the repayment schedule aligns with your cash flow so you avoid missed payments that compound problems. Submit your application with clean uploads and finish eKYC so funds can be dispersed quickly. Digital signatures speed that last mile. Once dispersed, set up auto debit and calendar reminders and store the lender contact and your customer ID. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: when applications are denied, inspect your bank statement for irregular inflows, fix any address or name mismatches, and then reapply with a cosigner or choose a secure.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.